stand up close to the National Gallery here in Longton. This place, or call him Trafalgar Square. Now, you know, can look in Big Ben or some kilok belong Parliament. That's all. Stop behind law diwai Christmas. Stop along this place. Yeah, Christmas. Now me go show you law Palace of Westminster. Olsem National Gallery or place belong Pixar or Penim. Now this place all selling kai belong country Germany or something belong Christmas. Here all pamim wara. Olsem, lukim. Plenty wara tassel lo tete I cold true. You looking plenty lying about. Looking one for a fish or dolphin and got wara come out, slow mouse belong in. Now, National Gallery, diwai below Christmas. Number 10 Downing Street. Place belong Prime Minister Tassel. Behind long, I think, year 1980 something, or put in this banis law security taimi mangi. You can walk along this place. Now this police behind, you can look in Christmas tree liklik. Now this place house belong Prime Minister Tassel hard law look him. Yes, number 10 Downing Street. Now this road, or call him Whitehall. Now bus, red colour PMB, London. Alright, this Big Ben, or call him. That's all senissim name, or call him Queen Elizabeth Tower. No, now. Yes, Big Ben. Now here, or call him Houses of Parliament. Olsem government. Mipela. Come close to long. Westminster Abbey. Suppose you look in King Charles come up King or TV come up along this up. Okay, me walk close to
this way. Yeah. Oh, excuse me, sir. Hello. Sir, excuse me. Hello, sir.
Display Westminster Hall. Inside long Palace of Westminster. We show him all roof, Display. Oh, true. Oh, true. Diwai blanc. Christmas.
Quite a lot of members of Parliament and members of the House of Lords and their sons actually fought during the First World War. And you'll see that up here it's actually much cleaner than the stone column there. And the reason is because we had it clean, especially for the 100th anniversary of the end of the First World War. And we had actually quite a big ceremony here with both Mr. Speaker and the Lord Speaker to commemorate the 100th anniversary of the end of the First World War. You'll also notice at the end there, you can't really see it at the moment, the window. And that window was given as a gift by all members. We didn't pay from taxpayers, we all contributed to actually as a gift to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II to mark her Diamond Jubilee. Every Jubilee usually
yeah, sampela more. Display Wara, or call him Thames.
right on the Saturday.
This is lovely.
Yeah, it is a fantastic view, isn't it?
Yeah, I thought that this was not. It was only for members in the past.
No. I mean, it's, we can bring guests. We're only allowed so many guests, so that's why with the staff, because we're only allowed to take so many guests around with us, each pass holder. But I can bring half a dozen people on here.
Well, one day I'm going to ask you to do, because I've got a little YouTube channel for not for people in England, it's for people abroad.
Oh wow!
And what I'd like to do is do a nice little thing where you say who you are, and then I translate it as we go.
So what country does it go?
It's New Guinea.
Oh, is it?
So, and I've got, it's like a bit niche, but because of that, I've got quite a lot of hits. Surprisingly more than you'd think.
What language do they speak over there?
Well, they've got local languages, and then they've got the Pidgin and the Motu, which are the universal languages. So
can you speak?
I can speak Pidgin fluently, but not Motu. No.
Yes, I imagine there's quite a few local dialects and things.
It's about 700 languages. Yeah. Yes, the missionaries one missionary wanted to translate the Bible into every language in the world.
Yes.
And then they discovered New Guinea, and it all became a bit. Well, at least that's what they say.
That'd be a nice show, wouldn't it, from that?
Wow.
Well, what do you think of it so far?
It's fantastic, isn't it? It's really good.
I mean, we're there, we took it away in Blind Bridge, and we don't know half that goes on the rest of the world.
So you don't come to London? No. I find it a bit exhausting. That's the problem. A day in London and I'm about whacked.
I used to work down here years ago and I wouldn't come down here for a gold peg a day.
What, even for pleasure for a day trip?
No.
So what did you do in London?
When you want the toilet, this is a good time to go.
Oh, yes, I think I could perhaps work.
Sales and marketing
Right.
for a multinational.
Oh, I think I asked you. Yeah, I think I asked you already.
You didn't.
Didn't I? Oh. Right, well, last little look at the Thames. All right, this pla mi sanap law terrace blong Parliament. O tambuim Mipela blong kisim photo inside Long Parliament.